Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for checking out another video. Jas brought his 2004 Civic Si in for a tune today, and I want to make a quick video for you because this is actually the second time this car has been here. It came by about a year ago. We tried to do some tuning. It had some problems. He sorted out all the problems. It's back today. It's made some great numbers, and why don't I go through all the details about this car, this build, share some dyno shots, and share the final results. All right, guys, like I said, 2004 Honda Si. In Canada, these are actually called SIRs. In the US, it's called an SI. This car is an American car up here in Canada. Jas did an engine swap on this. Normally, these cars came with a K20 A3. I think they made like 160 crank horsepower. The owner swapped in a TSX engine. It's a K24 A2. We believe it's the first gen. It's the 0405 model. The casting on the head says RBB1. This engine, it put down some great numbers, but based on the numbers and the fact that it smokes a bit, which is a pretty typical trait of the early 0405 TSX engines, pretty sure it's an 0405, but the owner did a bunch of good mods on it. It has hybrid racing, cold air intake, Ktuned 72mm throttle body, RBC Intake Manifold port matched to the throttle body, RDX Injectors. Last time it was here, it had a VTC problem. It was only able to achieve 17 degrees of VTC, which killed the power. The owner took the car back, did a drag Cartel VTC gear that limits the movement up to 40 degrees, which is all we need in the K24, and that's fixed the problem. It has a PLM header, still has the original K24 oil pump, so that limited our red line a bit today, and custom 2.5-inch exhaust. It's on pump gas. I tuned it on Honda K Pro. The car itself is beautiful. This blue is fantastic. It has HFP front lip, Koenig hypergrams, 17x8, an HFP rear lip, and a Mugen, possibly replica, possibly real, we're not sure, wing. This wing looks fantastic on this car. Either way, great looking wing, great looking car. Put down some great numbers today, so why don't we cut to the shots of the dyno pulls, and then I'll share the final results. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls. On to the final results. So last time this car was here, like I said, it had a VTC problem, and we were only able to achieve 17 degrees of VTC, which is no good for anything. It's not gonna make any power. Last time it was here, I have the dyno graph up on the screen. Last time it was here, it made 202 wheel horse and 166 foot-pounds of torque. I tried to achieve the typical VTC targets, but the VTC cam gear was only able to do 17 across the board. That's the max it could achieve, and these are the results we had about a year ago. Today, with the new 40-degree capable VTC gear, we got some much better results. Let me switch the screen and I'll show you what we got. All right, guys, up on the screen in blue are the results from today. Today, with the proper VTC that works, it made 227 horse, 202 foot-pounds torque. This time around, we were actually able to hit all of the VTC targets that we were shooting for. So down low, It's all 25 degrees. VTEC engages at 4,200 RPM and is 40 degrees till about 5,500 RPM. And then I taper it down to, I think it was 20 degrees on this setup at Redline. Redline is 75 on this setup because it does have the stock oil pump. And these, what I believe, are the first generation TSX K24 A2 cams. Simply don't breathe as well as the second gen, the 06 Plus. Horsepower pretty much plateaued at 75, so no point putting extra stress on the engine. But I know the owner was pretty disappointed last time he was here, but you know what, these things are sometimes a work in progress, and he went through, sorted out all the issues. It's finally making the power that he was hoping to make. And I thought this would make for a good video for you guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Like always, thanks again for watching, guys. If you liked the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I will continue to keep making these videos for you guys. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye now.